How to submit a request in Heyoo. So here guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to submit a request in Heyoo. For example, all we need to do right now is open up a request right here. So some of the time we use other it shows like a feature that you will say submit request to customer service. So right now I'll be teaching you how to do that, but those are for some. But here you can also do it right here by just going to customer service right here. And some has like a submit request, like literally right there says submit request. You put in the subject or topic that you requested there. Here you can put in here like to submit a request. There you go. As you see right here. There you go. Now we just have to wait for the reply. From what you've described, would you accept my request to help me understand what kind of request you want? Report. There you go. There you go. Once you've done that, as you can see, we just will wait for a few seconds. But there, it will now tell you, like, there you go. As you can see right now, there you go. AI or send an email there to our team to handle this issue. So click on the email right there. We have Gmail. Then put in the concern that you have, so you can submit your request. So there you guys, as I do it. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe if you want a question, concerns, have it all option below, guys. Have it answer as soon as possible here on how to rock it, guys. There you guys, and thank you guys.